Yo. Today is Tasia recording right now. I don't record Lady B and Big Fire, but Tatumutaya Gatimiri. Kuzanzi, the madman is in town. The big man is here, man. So me let it get past no to you. There's a sure the big man is here. Wanna check it on, man. Check it on, man. Yo. Massive. Elderman Africa, all the way from Canada. Canada, can you imagine? Outer Toronto.
Yeah, man. Straight outer Toronto.
Fresh outer Toronto.
Yeah, man. Mad Minnows.
Ayo, Mad Minnows.
Mad man.
Yo. And that's my guitarist far. Why is it? King of Mbari, Ghetto Crown is here, man. Ona nema postori ari panapa. Yo.
One time.
Yes, Aya.
One love, yeah.
The big man is in town, oh man.
Big one is down. Twice nice.
What's up,
I want day ningi.
Yes, it. Yes, sir.
I want to have to go back to when the gambo 10 rounds. What you
Give me my friend. Bow! Money pull up! Money! Yeah, man, that's my execution got $20. Big up Mad Minnows. Mkuru, big up yourself, man.
And I'm going to $10. 20 sata.
Mama,
I want 20 sata. I would say 20 sata.
yeah, man, so Mkuru bo.
Yeah, boss.
Fresh from Canada.
I want to go in England.
Mavumiro.
Eh, ndakapinda house then ndakanandi ku England.
Mama kabanirwe yupesa.
Ndakabanwa because ndakaridza ku England ndisina license ndisina zvese. But ndakapinzwa ne COVID-19.
Yeah, man, big up.
Tete na $dollars. Ndimbona.
Let's say $dollars.
Taretse ipi.
Bomba clip!
$100.
Bomba clan! The madman is here. The Ghetto Crown is in the building now. Mbaro Massive, check it, man. Raspomba Penya. Raspomba Penya. Let it be here. Bombo. Ricky Penya. Yo, man.